Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we apply header and footer in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So to do this guys, just click on insert and here at the last we have text. Just click on that. After clicking, you'll have a header and footer option. Just click on that guys. Now just after clicking, your spreadsheet will be divided into different sheets. Okay, it will be splitted into different sheets. And at the top you'll have the header and the same bottom you have a footer. So to add a header guys, just click on that and type whatever you want to write, like here I'm writing. Now to adjust its size and if you want to format it, then just select it like we always used to do and click on home and use this format group to do the same. Okay, similarly we have the footer guys. Here we can add the contacts, mobile number, email, whatever you want. Okay, so you will see guys that whatever the header we provided here, this will be copied to all the sheets here, as you can see, the next one and again the next one. Okay, now if you want to see how this will look on the page you will print, so just press Ctrl plus P and then you will have the header and footer overview. So guys, this was the header and footer. That's all for today's video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.